And my name is Kakay. I'm the vlogger. And I mean, she's the vlogger. So ikaw mag-hashtag. Go.
Let's go. And she is my best friend.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna follow her wherever she goes. Her fit is PJs. My fit is PJs. And let's go. Wherever she goes. I'll go. Okay. Come on, I'm following you. So you aren't gonna see me a lot because I'm gonna be the one who's gonna show the videos. Okay, come on.
Bye.
Bye bye. Let's go. Oh. You know where you go, I'm gonna follow you, right? So you're not gonna follow me, I'm gonna follow you. Because you're basically the vlogger. I mean the YouTuber. But so by the way guys, we just forgot to tell you that like and
Subscribe.
let's go guys. Oh wait, we're gonna follow you. Come on. Oof. Okay. Can you go? How about let's show them the computer shop? Okay. Oh, we're just gonna follow her. Let's go. Yeah. Hey. Let's go that way. Pakita natin sa kanila yung computer shop.
Wait lang, sabi mo na yan. Huwag ka tayo dun